We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up GBP, JPY. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side, looks like a bearish red doji coming from area resistance. So we do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint, second level lows, and also adding third level lows. Just have it over the price to see what's going on. So as I said before, price action on the monthly time frame is a bearish red doji coming from area of support. Current price is at 161.306. So this area is respected for the support, and markets work its way up. We can see that price may work its way up to near the areas of 165.202. If we receive a candle, market will break up to the next level. If price come down from that area of current price, market can head to near the areas of 153.726. And we can see we got that midpoint right in the middle. So we're gonna see if the market's going to respect that area. So let's say market's going to work its way down from this area of resistance, create that decline. Market's coming from a structure of a pattern in that area, come up in green as the first leg, second leg, third leg, and if we receive a bearish red candle, that's going to engulf the third last candle. It looks clean, but price action is a doji, so we got to see what's going to happen really, because it's tagging that SR line, of that white SR line of that midpoint, so we can see that double top trying to form itself. If that area is respected for that incline, we can see markets coming from that pattern of that W. So we do have that first, second, triple bottom, I should say. Could be quadruple bottom. So we have a break and retest. So first, second, third, fourth, retest, market pushed up one. So there's a triple bottom here. Retest, market pushed up. Let's do that again. First, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest two. And it's the whole level that's trying to retest for that second time for that market to push up. So we're going to see how many times we're going to retest this area, create that pattern, and then see if we're going to be respected at that white SR line for the push up further. But we have to identify some type of bullish green candle or a pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, or that market can consolidate sideways within that range of price second, third, fourth, and fifth to last candle in the market. Walking down to the weekly time frame, so it's price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth last candles in the market. These are all dojis in the market. The market is looking very indecisive. We have patterns inside patterns. So if this market is going to be respected, so the way we chart this up is we have price action high, price action low. So we already know that we have a midpoint right in the middle. So if we have a midpoint in the middle, let's say this market is going to work its way up from this area. So we'll identify that overall first, second, third, and see if it's going to respect for that incline W. If not, markets work its way down for multiple pushes. Let's see if we can find it. First, second, third, fourth. So we have that double top already. Then you have a retest one, retest two. The market pushed down. So altogether, we had about multiple pushes to that top. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like a quadruple top, and then market pushed down once. And it's consolidating. So market's coming from that 4 pushes to that top. But so it's a lot of dojis and wicks. So definitely waiting for a nice clean pattern to form itself. It's also forming some type of wedge pattern, because if you connect the bottom of that support and you connect those resistance lines, we can see that market just bouncing up and down within that wedge pattern. So we waiting for that breakout to happen. Walking down to the daily time frame. On daily time frame, price action is a doji with a long press up to the top, a long wick. Overall, market just consolidating within this area. So you can see multiple pushes for that first, second, third, fourth retest, and if respected, market's coming from that triple bottom. If not, market can be coming from that break retest. So we have that first, second, third, fourth retest, and market's coming down, can come down from a double top and a retest, which would be a triple top. So it's identifying the same thing until we see that pattern that's really going to break out that area of support or that area of resistance. But price action is more near the area of support. Price action also has a long wick up to that top, showing that it did tag for that third time. All we have to see is a bearish red candle to engulf the previous second, third, fourth last candles in the market, especially those wicks. It could head down to the next level, which would be near 160.532. Once we have that break, price can be headed next down to the next level of 158.951. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame, price action on 4-hour time frame is a bearish red doji hanging out there at the bottom. So market just basically came back for a retest, stopped at the area of the SR line support, and just worked its way sideways. 3-hour time frame reading the same as a 4-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame is also reading the same thing as 3-hour time frame. So market is identifying that consolidation with price action, second last candle at that area of support near that bottom of the SR line. So it's reading the same thing, 432, headed down to the 1, same as well. Starting to receive some type of structure. So what happened is that market did kind of break that SR line that we created. So it pushed down, came back to retest, pushed down further, came back to retest. So it's like a W in here, or maybe just an M, first, second, third. So we're just looking for a bearish red candle to push that market up, or maybe a bullish green candle to push that market up for that W. So we're still waiting for that market to do what it do. So we just waiting for that market to break out this area of consolidation now on the 1-hour time frame. Same as well on the 45-minute time frame, price action, bearish red candle, push up to the top. So headed down to 30. Same as well. So it's just hanging at the bottom of the SR line. So it broke, retest, and retest again with the second last candle. So if we receive a closeout with that market pushing down with the current price action candle, it's coming down from that double top. If not, it can be respected and pushed up for that W incline, or I should say W formation. Same as well on the 15-minute time frame, still consolidating, just looking for that pattern to identify itself, to close out above the previous candles. Same as well on the 5-minute time frame, we can see that consolidation. Also on the 3-minute time frame, now we can see a little bit more structure. So we can see that first, second, third, fourth, and markets is sitting at that double top. So we have to kind of break this down. If you guys are trading at 3-minute time frame, you see price action currently here. You have that high, you have this low. The low will be the SR line, so low here, and this will be the midpoint. Okay, so market's hanging at that midpoint, so he's going to respect this area, work his way back up to the previous numbers, unless we see identify a pattern here, or this market just fully just breaks out to the next previous level down. 1-minute time frame, also reading the same thing. A lot of wicks in the market, so be careful this market if you're trading down on the 3-minute time frame or the 1-minute time frame. Very important information. Please study and review. Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. GBP, JPY.